So with IEM earphones, I typically never know what to think because right now they're all mostly wired. And for me, the thing is, like, when it comes to wired earphones in general, because of how the trend of technology is just moving towards like absolute just being wireless, what's the point, right? Given that the audio quality is actually really good for IEM headphones, it kind of makes me like think like, okay, what's better? Is it just we should all go to wireless earphones, or is there still some value when it comes to wired earphones? So the absolute best things about IEM is the fact that the audio quality just sounds that much better. And the first time I tried them, you hear the little things, right? Like the little like hisses in the background, maybe even like a sound on the microphone. Just the little stuff that you can definitely hear the difference when you use them just for listening to the same thing. You play the same video and use it with either audio coming from your computer or even headphones, and you play it with IEMs. It's absolutely like you just get more quality for the audio. Now the thing about these ones is they're not like specifically designed for like music or whatever. You can still use it for that, like you can play music or even watch some videos, but it's gonna be for like the heavier stuff. So like if you're playing a video game or something that's just gonna have a lot more effects, a lot more sound, then you'll like really get the gist of it, like the big picture. Whereas like if you played like just anything basic, yeah, I mean like you might be able to hear like some absolute differences, but not everything's gonna be as clear as it would be like if you just maximize, like use it to like the best of its potential. And at that point, that's when you're gonna like be able to hear like, oh, okay, like the difference, like, okay, here's how it is. And then also most importantly is the wire, right? Like, so the thing about it is like if the durability sucks, then you're not really, this isn't a long-term thing. It's gonna break like 2 weeks down the line, a month or whatever. So durability for the cable, at least, like I found it to be like fine. Like it's pretty sturdy, which like at least that's like a low bar that should be cleared, especially when it comes to like the wires for earphones, right? Like if they're gonna be wired, that essentially is the most important part of it, right? So as long as that's gonna be fine, then okay, the durability is gonna be okay for like a good amount of time. So sound quality is good, and it's not just intended for, you know, like everything. I mean, of course you can use it for whatever you want, but that's the thing for me too, is like when it comes to like wired earphones in general, there's a limitation, and the limitation is how long the cable is, right? So you're not really going to be able to like distance yourself away from like your computer in my case, or your phone, or whatever you're going to be using it to. So you like the range there is going to be limited for you on what you can, like how far you can be. Like again, that's just the effect of being spoiled by Bluetooth earphones, right? Because then you can just put your device down and stand up, walk about, do whatever you want. So there's going to be a limitation there, and it's not like the worst limitation, because depending on who you are, the type of person that you are when it comes to earphones in general, that's not like, it shouldn't be a game changer or anything, right? Like if you're someone that doesn't care for that, then yeah, having wired or wireless, it's not really the worst thing. So plenty of things I like about these earphones, but plenty where I'm just like I don't see, you know, the value in this, because personally I don't use it. Like I don't really like using wired stuff, but when I see the value in it. So for this one specifically, the value, the best thing that it's going to offer you is going to be how good the sound quality is when you use it wired. I mean, there's no other way to use it. You can only use it wired, but regardless, then you kind of see, okay, where the levels are. Typically, like for me personally, I'm not going to be using it just to like all the time. Like I'll use it, like for example, like I see it like editing. Now again, editing also isn't really heavy, but if I really just want to hear exactly how I sound or what I think maybe I need to do better, or like even the background noise, like in the background audio, stuff like that. So the little things like that, where if like I'm really trying to pay attention and pay focus, and it's gonna help me out. But regardless of that, like my everyday use, like going out and using it for like at the gym or whatever, I don't see myself using that. I'm just not that type of person. Like I need, you know, if there's a cable there, bro, like I hate feeling like, you know, overstimulated to like a cable there, and then I have to like turn my head this way. Can't do that. Just, yeah, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the limitations, but those limitations are like the absolute worst thing. So depending on what type of person you are, if you're just going to be solely focused on the audio quality and that's all you're going to be looking at and that's all you want, then absolutely like these are for you. But For a person like me, definitely not. But at the end of the day, that's just my opinion, and it's not supposed to be absolute. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.